everybody, today I'm gonna show you the projector light. Here's the user manual that you got in the box. Stand for the projector, for the ground. Here is the plugin, it is AO plugin. We have also remote control for music and some other stuff to control and effects, and also the timer. Here are plates for the projections to some effects. And here is the big boy, the project light. It has also a micro SD card here. You place the plate for effects, and that's it. And we have some USB adapter here. That's it, what we got in the box. Hope you enjoy, and I will record the next video for you to show you representation of the projector. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.